Hi YouTube and blog. Bowman Suit here. Come back with another box break. Contenders. Our first box break of these certified materials was not so hot. Let's just hope this is not the same. Empty box. I'll show the camera there. There's nothing in there but a checklist. Alright, I'm going to move right along. This is going to take me a while, so I'm just going to show you guys the numbered cards. I'm not going to read out. I got a Rookie of the Year, Ramsey Spartan. None of those are numbered. Got a rookie roll call of Muhammad Massaquoi. Looking for at least 4 autographs, if not 5. There's our first autograph. It's going to be a random for the Jags rookie autograph of Jarrett Dillard. Jarrett Dillard for the Jags, which were out of the break. Go Cardinals. Let's pull something Cardinal. Beanie Wells autograph or something. Jack Youngblood. Not numbered. I've seen Kurt Warner autographs pulled out of here. Never know. Could pull Larry Fitz. I don't know if we can pull Larry Fitz auto, but could pull one out of Absolute. Maybe one out of Premier. There's our second autograph for the Texans, getting another hit. Rookie ticket for the Texans of James Casey. Had to look for a second to see his name. James Casey. Let's see a huge rookie ticket. Let's see a Stafford, Sanchez, somebody big. Loshan. See a nice Hall of Famer would be nice. Got some of those round numbers, but those aren't numbered. So. There's a numbered gold first class. Hakeem Nicks sent him numbered to 100. 22 of 100. Nothing special, just a little numbered card. There's another autograph. While we're pulling all our autographs out, it's going to be our on-card autograph. It's going to be for the Seahawks, which are out of the break. Another random on-card autograph of Deion Butler. Deion Butler. So 2 randoms out of that box. So we got 3 autographs already and got quite a few packs left. So we're still looking for at least one. Hopefully a good one. I'm not saying those aren't good, but could use somebody a little bit better. Rookie of the Year McCoy, not numbered. Forgot he was in 09. McCoy would be nice. Mark Sanchez, Rookie of the Year, not numbered. The Chad Henne base card for Foxborough. Matt Stafford, Rookie roll call, not numbered. Mark Sanchez, rookie roll call, not numbered. 5 packs left. Or Paul Horning, not numbered. Those Hall of Fame. Ship it. You got it, Fox. There's a playoff ticket that's all damaged. It's all crushed on the side. Playoff ticket of Jason Witten, number to 99. Look at that damage. Kind of damaged on the side there. I don't know if you can see that. But take my word, it is kind of damaged. Number to 99. Nothing too huge, but it is damaged. So if you get that card, it's already like that. Still waiting on one more auto, I hope. We got 2 packs left. Only pulled 3 autos. Normally there's 4 or 5, so. Oh, and there's our autograph. Got the last one. That's not a bad autograph neither. It's going to be for the Packers. It's going to be a rookie ticket autograph of B.J. Raji. B.J. Raji. So nice hit for the Packers. Not a huge hit, but decent. So that was box 2. Come back with their better boxes. They better make up for the last 2 we just opened. Come back, bonus it out.